This 5-minute solution will show you how to see Oculus Pin on iPhone. So if you're trying to log into your Oculus account but you forget your password, follow these two methods to get your Oculus account username and password. The first method is open a Google app. You can open Gmail, Chrome or Google. So I'm opening my Google Chrome app and tapping on this profile icon at the top right. And here, tap on your email. Tap on your email account again. Tap on manage your Google account. And here select security. Scroll down. Tap on password manager. Tap on this search password box and here type Oculus. Now tap on your Oculus profile. Now tap on oculus.com. Verify your Gmail account. And now here you will get your Oculus account username and password. You can copy them from here to log into your Oculus account. And the second method is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on passwords. Now tap on the search box and type here Oculus and tap on oculus.com, and also here you'll find your Oculus account username and password. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.